to make some DIY clay charms. So for this, you can use any type of clay that you want. You can use either oven baked clay or you could use air dry clay. It doesn't really matter. We're just going to be using some oven baked clay. It's already all colored, so we're not going to like paint it or anything. These turned out super cute. Make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell so you get notified every single time we post a new video. And also make sure to comment down below which your favorite one was. Let's get started. Okay, so you're going to need some brown clay, and some other colors. It could be any colors that you want. So I'm just doing these. These are just for the decorations. So I'm just going to put those aside for now. And with the brown clay, now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to roll it out. You can use any type of rolling pin. I can't use like a normal one, so I'm just going to be using the small one, like this little plastic one. I don't really recommend using this, but you can use whatever one you want. Okay, so now this is kind of about the thickness that you want it to be. You don't want it to be too thin, too thick, otherwise it might break easily and you don't want that to happen. Okay, so now we have our nice shape, and basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your knife. You can use any type of knife. It just shouldn't be super duper sharp or have like jagged edges like a regular butter knife. So I'm not really sure what kind of knife this is, but I just found it. It's not like sharp at all, so I think this will work perfectly. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the Christmas tree gingerbread cookie, but you can make like any kind that you want. So I'm just going to cut it like that. If you're using a really like blunt knife like me, you're gonna wanna like kind of cut it, like run the knife through it a couple times. And you can just put the extras aside and just cut off that part. Now, when you cut it, it might like not be shaped the way that you want it to be, so you can just carefully reshape it. And that's what I have now. So as you can see, it's a nice triangle shape. It's the color of gingerbread. So you don't have to do this. This is extra. But I'm going to be taking an old toothbrush and just dabbing the edges on it to make it like look more like a cookie. Okay, so with my toothbrush, basically you're going to want to wash it off first because that's a little bit disgusting. And you just kind of want to put it on there. You see how it's making it's making it textured, kind of looks more like a cookie now. It's kind of hard to see. You might have to press down a little bit. This stuff is optional. You don't have to do it, but I think this just makes the whole thing end up looking better and, you know, looking more like a cookie. Okay, so I'm done with that. And next, since I have my basic shape set out, I am going to be adding like all the decorations now. So first thing, I'm gonna take some red and do a couple little circles for like ornaments, kind of. So what you can do, you can just like roll a little tiny ball in your hands like that. You might want to make it actually even smaller because we're going to be like flattening it out a bit. And you just want to place them on your tree and, oops, lightly press them down. Don't do it too much, but you have to do it just a little bit if you want it to stay on there and not break off. So I'm going to be doing a couple with the red, and then I'm also going to do some with some other colors. So lastly, I'm just going to take my toothbrush again and just repeat like that part one more time, just to make it like make everything all just like come together, make it look more realistic, you know. And then the last thing that you're gonna need to do is, if this is oven baked clay like mine, you're going to want to bake it in the oven according to the directions on the package. And if it is air dry clay, then just let it dry. Just let it air dry for as long as you need to, as long as it says on the package. So I'm just gonna go ahead and bake this now.
Okay guys, so I'm going to be making a red and green present. So you're gonna need red clay and green clay. I'm using red and green, but you can use any colors that you want. So first, I'm gonna take my red clay and break a chunk of it off. It's gonna be a square shape, so I'm gonna fold it. I'm gonna roll it into a ball, and then cut the corners off. And rip off a small chunk of it to be the bow and the ribbon. Okay, now I'm gonna cut the ends off of this, and I'm gonna do this on all four sides of the with a little bit more clay, just so that you don't see this part. Okay, now I'm just not gonna leave it. I'm not gonna leave it like this. I'm actually gonna take some of my clay and do a nice snake shape, because I'm going to make it into a bow. So to make the bow, put it like that, and then put that, reshape it a bit. So now that we're done making our present, if you want to add like more detail, so it depends on what kind of clay yours is. Mine is the kind that you have to bake. If yours is air dry, then let it air dry according to the package. But I'm gonna bake this according to the package, and I'm gonna bake that right now.
Okay guys, so these are the finished clay things. I think they're super cute. They turned out really nice. If you look closely there, you can see on the gingerbread cookie, like it's really textured. It feels, I mean, it kind of feels like a real cookie, you know? And the present, it's really pretty too. It's got the nice bow on top. These turned out really nice. You guys should definitely try them.
Thank you guys
so much for watching our video. If you liked it, make sure to leave a like and also subscribe to us and press the notification bell so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Make sure to leave a comment down below of some video suggestions because we want to see what kind of videos you guys like watching. Bye guys!